I've never spent more than £20 or £30 for products off of eBay. That wasn't until the other day when I brought this little beauty, and this is well over £100. Not only that, it's faulty, sold as spares and repairs. What was I thinking? Well, let me show you. Ta-da! God blimey, look at the cobwebs on that. Yeah, these are a bit of a barn find, aren't they, look? Ah, did you see where that was? So I got 1, 2, oh, some manuals. Oh my gosh. And some discs. Oh, wowzers. I should be making some backup copies of this, I think, definitely. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, probably needing that. So here we go. These are Samsung Q1 Ultras. Ultra Mobile PCs. Warranty information, well yeah, they won't be under warranty. Safety instructions, don't drop them on your foot. This, I wasn't expecting to get these DVDs. Now I'm not sure what this is doing in here. I think clearly the seller had no idea what they're selling, because that's for an Intel desktop motherboard. Okay, well that goes in a different pile. That goes in my to be sorted pile. But this system recovery media, oh, what condition is it in? A bit dirty, that needs cleaning. I'll clean that in a moment. Let's move these aside. Let's take a look at what we've got here. Not quite sure what that sticker's all about. Oh, there we go, look, the Samsung Q1 Ultra. I think, yep, that clips out of there, look. No keyboard on this one. Ah, no stylus either, look, that's a shame. Stylus is missing, but everything else seems to be in order. Needs a bit of a clean up. Let's stick that back in there. Oh, another disc. Ah, 2 discs to have a look at later and see if they work. Ah, now this is the model I've already got. Hello. It's got the sticker on, got the mouse, keyboard seems to be alright. I don't know what's something missing there, so it looks like that one it's perhaps been used for spares and repairs. But it's got this on, that's very nice. I suppose, does that go in there for some reason? Looks like that goes in. Yeah, that goes in there and twists around there. What? Oh, is that so you can hold it on your hand? Ah, that's interesting. Okay, let's take that out. Shame it's not got the stylus, but I bet that's been missing for a long while. But it's got these proper cases though. That's cool. What have we got here? Oh, one that's pretty much... Yes. Ah, it's cracked there on the case. That someone's took it apart and not been able to put it back together again, or dropped it or something. Again, missing the stylus. No keyboard. Just needs a... These cases need a bit of a clean. Oh, oh! This one's got the stylus. That's rare, because they normally got lost. Okay, so that's... Ah, yeah, but look, there's some damage on there, but I can mix and match. Mix and match, no worries. The same with that one. There's the stylus on that one. Let's have a look. Position. This again. No keyboard, free dust, dirt. I need a bit of an air dust, I think. I mean, the battery's not quite in that one properly, so that one need looking at. Oh, there we go. That one need looking at. And no stylus, but one of them's got a stylus. Well, what's under here? Oh, Ethernet. Celeron M, Windows XP. Again, like, it's got the dial missing, but again, I can mix and match as long as one of them works. I'm quids in. And to have these discs and the manuals for the one that I've already got, that's fantastic. Lovely jubbly. Can't wait to start refurbishing these. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.